Okay, Collins Maths Frameworking, book 3.3. Now, this is the chapter 8 review questions. Now, there's no examples for me to go through, so it's just off you go. You have the link for the answers. But here's the wordy questions. It's the word questions that trip people up. So let's have a little look at some of these word questions. We've got a cuboid. See if I've still got my DT isometric drawing skills. Boom, off it went, dear me. So the question is, what's the area of this face? And we've been told that each length is, well, this one is x plus 2, the height is x minus 2, and the depth is just x. Okay. Well, first of all, we've been, oh yeah, so A is just this. That's pretty simple. So it's this times this for an area. So it's this times this. I'm not going to tell you how to do that. That's easy. Find an expression for the total area of all 6 faces. Again, that's pretty straightforward. Just take it piece by piece. Now, when it comes to the faces are in pairs, aren't they? So you've got top and bottom. Let's call this right, and then left. Let's call that front and back. Need a different letter. BK. Okay. So they're in pairs. So we've already found the area for this. You did that a while ago. For part A. So the total area is, so the area for the blue shaded is x plus 2, x minus 2, but 2 of them, so I want to put a 2 there, plus whatever the area for this is, that's x times x minus 2, so x times x minus 2. 2 of them, plus, again, this times this, but 2 of them. So it's x times x plus 2. Whew. Expand it all out and you'll have lots of x squareds, you'll have lots of x's, and you'll have lots of numbers, and then you just go along and add them all up. Question 10 on the review questions. I'm coming to this cold, I've not really looked at this yet, so we've got a square, and then inside that square is another square. We're told that this little bit is x, and the longer bit is x plus 2. So A, show that the area of the inner square is the area of the green square. I'll try not to put my head under there because people realise how bald I am. Okay, so the area of the green square is 2x squared plus 2x plus 2. I'm going high on the fumes here, I'll just say that. Okay. Interesting. So the area of this triangle is obviously its side times itself, because it's a square. So this side times this side. So the question is what is this length? Well, I don't think we've got many clues, but what we do know is that, do it in blue, I've got here a triangle. It's a right angled triangle, they're obviously all the same. Those four triangles are the same. So I reckon this length here is x, this length here is x plus 2. I'm thinking Pythagoras here, and that will give you that. It's quite an involved question, there's quite a bit to it. Okay, question 11. Show that for this triangle, x squared minus 6x equals 0.
What does that mean? So that height there is 2x, this is 2x plus 1, and this is x minus 1.
Okay, so I had to think about this. So there's the question, and it's, or the diagram, and it's asking, or saying, show that for this, x squared minus 6x equals 0. And I was thinking Pythagoras, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Remember that one? Now if we bring that over here, we end up with a squared plus b squared minus c squared equals 0. Pause now, see if you can do that. Okay, so you've paused. Okay, you're still stuck. I'm giving you more help. So this is A, this is B, doesn't matter either way round, and that's C. So we are saying all this equals 0. So 0 equals 2x all squared plus x minus 1 x minus 1, so that's that squared, minus 2x plus 1 times 2x minus 1 equals, so let's do this one, 2x squared is 2x all squared, I should say, is 4x squared, plus, to our smiley face, x squared, so we've got, and then minus x, and these two together is minus x, so that's minus 2x, the number times the number, minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. Now let's move on to this, minus. Now be careful, we've got a minus in front of all this, so whatever happens to this answer, it's all minus. So let's put all of this inside brackets. 2x times 2x, 4x squared. And then 2x times minus 1, well that's minus 2x. Sorry, this is c squared, so it's this times itself. 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. And then you made a mistake there. So this is 2x times 1, that's 2x. And we add it to, well, let's do it longhand, let's write it all out. So plus 2x, and then these two, plus 2x. If you want to keep drawing your smiley face, that's okay. And then the numbers, plus 1 times plus 1. Woohoo! Okay, this is long. Equals 4x squared plus x squared, 5x squared, minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so now let's take out the brackets. So all of these need to be times by minus 1, don't we? Because there's a minus at the front. So this becomes minus 4x squared. 2x plus 2x, that's 4x. Minus 4x. Minus 1. Okay, so now the brackets are gone. So we've got plus 1, minus 1. Cancel them. So then we end up with 5x squared minus 4x squared. X squared. Minus 2x minus 4x. Minus 6x. Oh, there we go. Woo, that was long. I'll leave it there. Any more questions? Do ask.